Hello there, everyone. So, this reading is for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. So, this will be your love reading, Gemini, for August 2026. But if you happen to watch this reading anytime between August to October or maybe November, please feel free to take the message if it resonates. And also, I do not read reversals. I also do not take cards that pop out, Gemini. So I'm gonna pull 3 cards and then interpret natin yon. And later, I'll try to ask clarifying questions. Gemini. Oops. Alright, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Alright. So your first card is the Four of Wands. Wow. The Death. And the Empress. Wow. Beautiful cards. Alright. Gemini. I try to read this column as your past and then your present. And this column naman will be your future or near future. With the Four of Wands, Gemini, maybe in the past, uh, you've been wanting to establish a strong foundation with someone romantically. So, as you can see here, yung Four of Wands, ayan, ay usually nagsisignify yan sa wedding, or maybe you have been engaged. So, let's try to clarify the Four of Wands. This can be in your past. However, if the reading doesn't fit, no, or if this is your, let's say, your present energy, okay lang naman, no? So let's try to clarify the Four of Wands. Uh, with the Four of Wands, you got the Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. This is the slowest moving knight, no, in the tarot. Pero, this card is very grounded, no? Minamake sure niya na matibay yung foundation kasi nga slowest moving na siya. This is earth energy, no? So imagine that, no? Parang this could be someone offering you stability, no? With the Four of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles, I could really sense a strong foundation. At least that's what the other person or both of you are wanting. Strong foundation. Are you planning to get married or starting a family? So, ayan yung sinasignify ng Four of Wands and Knight of Pentacles. Stability. Alright, one more card. You got the Knight of Wands, passionate, no? This person or this could be you as well, very passionate, no? Kung ito ay slowest moving knight, no, the slowest moving knight in the tarot. Yung Knight of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands naman, this is the fastest. So, parang medyo opposing yung energy nila. Although, they are both knights, no? So, if we're going to interpret this, parang pwedeng opposing yung energies ninyo, or is this person mm, gives this energy of Parang hot and cold energy. Ganun yung nasa-sense ko. Or possibly then, no, na this person is really wanting to establish that foundation right away. Maybe you've known them for let's say ilang years pa lang or even ilang months pa lang, and parang medyo decided na sila to really establish the four of wands with you, meaning to ano yan, to get married. Ayun na agad yung mga plans nila. So take it how it resonates, Gemini, depende sa situation ninyo. But yon, uh, parang medyo somehow merong opposing energies. Now I'm gonna get one more card, no, for this column. Oops, one more card please. uh got the Ten of Wands, no? Ten of Wands is actually putting down your burden, or kasi tens are ending eh. So that means you're already putting down your burden, or if not naman currently, or pwedeng in the past kasi this is the past column. In the past you could be burdened usually with your responsibilities, or baka meron ka mga responsibilities na tinitake na hindi naman talaga sa'yo. And pwedeng, actually pwedeng ito yung nakapagpabagal, no, dun sa pag-attain natin sa Four of Wands. Oh. Although Four of Wands is a really positive card, I just don't know yet if na-attain mo ba ito. Oh. Currently, ito na ba yung energy? Because this is in the past. Now, we're going to clarify the test. I'm trying to look this column as the present energy test. That is actually a change. Maybe you've been burdened in the past. You wanted to change that, no? Let's clarify the death card. Oops. With the death card, you got the Two of Pentacles. So, ayun yung nasa-sense ko dito sa reading na to, no? Na parang in the past, pwedeng sobrang burdened ka with your responsibility. Sobrang busy mo kasi Two of Wands is uh, card of balancing everything. So, perhaps you wanted to change that, no? Or you could maybe wanting to change yourself, no? Kasi from this, you got the Empress. This is your future energy. So, ayun yung parang gusto mong baguhin yung buhay mo, yung sarili mo. And actually, if you do that, this is a love reading, no? If you wanted to change yourself for the better, no? And have this Empress energy, everything will follow naman eh, 'di ba? Yung love, minsan kapag sobrang focus natin sa sarili natin, saka sila biglang dumadating. Now, let's clarify the Two of Pentacles. With the Two of Pentacles, you got the Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords is parang unending nightmare siya. No? Uh, well, if this card is surrounded by other negative cards, no? Although wala naman talagang negative cards, all cards in the tarot, for me lang, no, is neutral. Depende lang sa magiging interpretation, of course, kung yun nga, kung medyo negative yung mga cards around that particular card. Now, with the Nine of Swords, feeling ko burdened ka talaga, no? Kasi you got the Ten of Wands and then Nine of Swords, you're worried, you're anxious. Now, I'm not sure if this is regarding the relationship or the responsibilities you have, and maybe because meron kang responsibilities kaya hindi ka masyadong makapag-focus, no, dun sa relationship. Again, two of wands, two of pentacles is having a lot of things, no, that uh, one has to juggle. No? So, marami ka talagang gina-juggle na mga responsibilities, mga bagay-bagay. And I could sense that this has given you anxiety in the past, or maybe in your present energy, ganun yung nararamdaman mo. No? Let's clarify the Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords kasi nasabi ko siya as unending nightmare. Kasi this person could choose, no, to just wake up, no, change his life. But then parang he's not in enough pain, no, hindi pa enough yung pain niya for him to actually get up, no, from his bed and to actually make a change. So just try to assess din yung life mo if this message resonates for you. Ano ba yung mga bagay na kaya mo nang baguhin, no? Kaya mo nang iwan na hindi mo ginagawa because uh, maybe it's not hurting you enough. Although medyo I know that's quite insensitive to say, no? And I'm really sorry, but I'm not judging anyone here. Certainly not you, Gemini, if this is your situation. Now, let me get one more card. All right. Okay. So, you got the Five of Cups. Five of Cups is actually a card of uh, parang disappointment. Ay, exactly. Disappointment. As you can see here, yung lalaki sa card ay very disappointed, no, with these three cups na natapon yung laman, no, and these cups provided him satisfaction before, no, before matapon yung cup. So yung laman ng cup ayun yung happiness, no, pwede yung wine nga na nakakapagpa-satisfy sa kanya. However, if he just look behind him, no, kung uh, turn around lang siya, makikita niya na meron pa namang dalawang cups, no. So with the five of cups, you have to be grateful for what you still have, or baka meron ka pang mga bagay na kaya pang i-salvage, no, Gemini. So take it how it resonates. Now, with the Empress, I could see na you've been wanting this change. Although, with the Nine of Swords, parang worried ka, anxious ka, and it somehow nagkukos ito ng paralysis sa'yo, no? To actually take action and to actually change yourself for the better. Now, this is your future energy, the Empress. So, if you got negative cards, no, meron pang turn around. Gemini, don't worry. The Empress. The Empress. Alright. With the Empress, you got the Nine of Cups. So, Nine of Cups is being in that what do you call that, in that atmosphere, no, in that energy of being satisfied. Kasi Nine of Cups, although hindi niya pa na-attain kasi yung Nine of Cups, pero nandoon na siya sa energy na yun, no, if you get what I mean, Gemini. And parang ang solution kasi dito sa reading na to, as I can see, no, from the Five of Wands, the Five of Wands, you're very dissatisfied with your situation. So you try to change, try to improve yourself, try to yun nga, change yourself for the better and have this Empress energy. And by doing that, I could sense that you can be in this place, no? The nine of cups energy. Actually, eto gusto ko maintindihan kung ano yung nangyari in the past. Kasi in the past, napakaganda nung uh, reading, no? Nung mga cards, no? Na lumabas. You know, there's a passionate new beginning, or someone offered you a passionate new beginning. That's what I could sense. No, you're planning. You have, maybe you have established um, foundation with someone, but then parang medyo na-burdened ka, no? Also, another way to interpret these cards, no? Kasi you got the Ten of Wands, pwedeng na-pressure ka ba, na-burden ka pa because of the relationship. So that's another way to, yun nga, to read these cards. Now, I wanted to clarify the Nine of Cups. Paano nga ba ma-attain to ng mga Geminis, no? Na nakaka-resonate sa reading na to. Wanted to know more about the Nine of Cups. With the Nine of Cups, you got the Three of Swords. Three of Swords is a card of healing. Doesn't necessarily mean na um, parang masasaktan ka in the future. Of course, tarot, I mean, tarot is, for me lang, tarot should be used for reflection, you know, and it doesn't tell us what will be the outcome of something, no? Kasi wala namang set in stone talaga eh. These are all just energies. You have to work with these energies in order to be better, no? Or to have a better outcome. Now, look at this, no? You got the Nine of Swords, no? This is in the present column. You got the Three of Swords. Now, yes, Three of Swords could be a card of heartbreak, no? It could signify someone being hurt in the situation. But again, sabi ko nga kanina, it's also a card of healing. No? Maybe you are trying to heal in the future. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, something might have hurt you. Whether it's in the past or baka currently, no? But I could see you healing. You can attain this energy, no? Yung Empress. Empress energy, she's a very nurturing lady. Ito, the Empress, very uh, abundant, no? Very loving. Ganun yung energy na nag-give off niya. And, you know, all cards naman sa tarot have history. So, baka may pinagdaanan niya, ang Empress na yan, that could be you. Gemini, baka medyo malalim yung pinagdaanan mo before you actually attain this energy. Now, let's clarify the Three of Swords. Let's clarify the Three of Swords. Three of Swords, please. Sorry. With the Three of Swords, you got the King of Swords. Well, I'm not sure if this is the person that have hurt you or caused you pain, no? King of Swords, regardless of their gender, no? This is the energy of that person. I don't think this is you. I don't think this is your energy. This could be the other person's energy. No. Sobrang straightforward, no? Very logical, very rational to the point na hindi na nila na bibigyan ng pansin yung emotions nila or yung emotions mo. But I'm not saying that all uh, people na nag-embody ng King of Swords energy ay wala ng emotional intelligence. Or actually, sabi ko kasi hindi ko na-feel yung energy mo dito sa King of Swords eh. But maybe you've been wanting to be an empress and at the same time, gusto mo ring ma-embody yung King of Swords energy. No? I'm not sure, Gemini, because this is a general reading. Iba-iba tayo ng situation, no? Right? I wanted to understand pa itong King of Swords kasi medyo vague pa yung message na to sa akin. King of Swords. With the King of Swords, you got the Two of Swords. No? Alright. Okay. Gemini. So, sabi ko nga kasi kanina, I don't think this is your energy. However, uh, this could be your future energy. That's why siguro, kasi I'm trying to read yung present moment or yung past eh. But, this is the future column. Sorry if that's a little confusing. No? Now, I sense na parang, eto yung gusto mong i-embody. Eto yung gusto mong maging perception sa'yo ng tao in the future. Or ito yung gusto mong maging perception sa'yo ng someone na nanakit sa'yo. They got the two of swords. Two of swords kasi is a card of third place solution na as you can see yung woman dito sa card na to ay blindfolded. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang solution no sa problema niya na hindi niya nakikita pa. Kasi Two of Swords, you feel like you only have two options. Either to be cut through or maging sobrang emotional. But actually, there is a third place solution. You could be neutral about it. You could be neutral, no, with this entire situation. No, and by doing that, baka dun mo mas ma-attain yung peace. No? And yung balance mo sa sarili mo. And from there, pwede magtuloy-tuloy na yon. Pero I can say no na you still have to heal. Kasi hindi mo maa-attain tong energy na to if you're hurting. Kasi if you're hurting, you only see in black and white. This is what I can picture no from this reading. Pwedeng may nanakit sa'yo and you wanted to be perceived nga as someone na strong, someone na irrational because you could be emotional in the past. No, so that's what I'm getting. Again, Gemini, if you're going through something, I am hoping for your healing. And definitely, I am encouraging you to take a step towards healing to achieve this energy. Now, I wanted to ask for an outcome. Just one more card. One more card. You got the Knight of Cups. Mm, Gemini, if you've been in a relationship na akala mo ayun na, and then disappoint ka, no, if this reading is for you, there will always be someone na mag-offer sa'yo ng love na deserve mo. Alright, Gemini? So, I'm gonna close this reading with the Spirit Animal Oracle. So, I have meditated on this card prior to this reading, and you got the Chameleon Spirit. Act as if. Now, merong separate message tong oracle card na to na I'm going to read, but uh, I can sense no na in connection siya with the Nine of Cups, kasi Nine of Cups actually is the card of acting as if, no? Acting as if you are in that energy that you wanted to have, no? Or in the situation, no, that you wanted to be in, right? So I'm gonna read the message of the chameleon spirit. All right. Chameleon spirit. Chameleon spirit, act as if. Chameleon spirit shares her gift with you today to prepare you for changes that will greatly benefit you. Outer conditions are changing and you're required to come into harmony with them so you can co-create your greatest dream. Feeling sensitive? Good, because that will come in handy, enabling you to determine how best to adapt to your environment and and the people in it, while at the same time maintaining your integrity and inner equilibrium. Even if you feel like you're in unshattered territory, Chameleon Spirit has complete faith in your ability to fit in and learn the lay of the land, adapting as necessary. This is a fortunate time to act as if and do as others do until the new ways feel familiar and completely natural. Life is offering you a great, great lesson now. Adapting isn't about losing yourself, it's about learning how much or how to dance with others. Now, the protection message of the chameleon spirit, being sensitive and having empathy for others can become a heavy burden if you don't practice self care. Could it be you're feeling stressed because you've tuned into challenging emotions that aren't even yours? Chameleon spirit does not want you to adapt to these conditions by withdrawing or distracting yourself, hoping the feelings will just go away or attempting to rescue another who may be having a pity party. You can be swallowed up trying to manage it all. It is time to figure out where you end and the rest of the world begins. Not all conditions are yours to match. You need to distinguish your own color from the rest of the world right now and take time out to soothe your sensitive soul. Choose some activities that will restore your sense of being grounded and avoid people who revel in drama. Take a break from social media too. Self care and the time out is the answer to this temporary dilemma. So, that is all I have for you, Gemini. If you find this reading helpful, no, if you resonate to this reading, please like and leave a comment because that would really help me a lot since I am just starting this channel. That's all, Gemini. Again, thank you and see you on the next reading.